Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if the WhatsApp app is not actually showing up your contact names. Now there are multiple things to check. First of all, if WhatsApp is not showing a contact name, just make sure that whether or not they are added your contact over here. So if they are added already, just make sure there is no big case, and after that open your phone settings over here. Once you open settings, go to the option called app management and then go for app list, and in here you have to search for WhatsApp and select a WhatsApp application. The reason WhatsApp is not being able to access your contacts is because it is lacking the contact permission. So go to WhatsApp and go to the option called permissions, and here you just have to make sure that this contact permission is allowed, because when you decide to don't allow, WhatsApp will not be able to access your contacts. So just make sure that it is actually set to the allow option over here. Once you set to the allow, you can also go to the call log and SMS, and you just have to make sure that they are also allowed on WhatsApp. Even after that, let's say WhatsApp is only showing numbers and it's not actually showing names. So let me just go ahead and tap on this particular profile and then just tap on this particular name over here. If I block this person, let's say, what this does is that it is basically going to show up their particular name on my phone, but I will not be able to send them a message. It will show them number. So what you can do is you can check whether or not you have blocked somebody by going to settings and then going to privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and you can see this block contacts. Tap on it, select the contact you want to unblock, and then tap on this unblock. And it could be one of these three reasons. One is because here I have not added them contacts, other is because WhatsApp is not being able to access the contact permission, and after that you have either likely blocked them in the WhatsApp application or blocked them in your own phone. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.